Music for the heart, soul, and mind.
As most things in my life, it was motivated by just rejection.
He's creating magic with his tunes.
I tried to make it work with two or three bands in my life. I got so angry, so I just said to myself, if I can't be in a band, I will be a band.
Music's influencer A-list proudly recognizes Samar Mehdi for influence in music. Hello and welcome. You're joining us on Newsex Influencer A-List. I'm Paradeep Hanot, and with us today is yet another musician. Now, Samar Mehdi is joining us on the broadcast. On Instagram, Samar has 11.9 thousand followers and viewers. Samar plays the guitar. Samar, in fact, is a one-man band, and he's going to help us understand what exactly it is that he does. He writes songs, he also performs. So Samar, let's open the floor up for you, the stage, in fact, I should call it for you. Tell us a little bit about this one man band situation that you have going on.
Thank you so much for having me, Paridi. Yeah, it's actually very well put. I emulate the sounds of a bunch of instruments on this guitar, and I think, as most things in my life, it was motivated by just rejection. And that's a part of music life that I think we all must get used to. What I did with rejection was not being able to be in a band made me so angry. I tried to make it work with two or three bands in my life. I got so angry, so I just said to myself, if I can't be in a band, I will be a band. So that's where it started for me. And I started emulating the drums. I started emulating a keyboard sounds, a bass guitar, and other things on the guitar. So yeah.
How do you do it, Samar? What is the process like? I mean, did you have to learn how to emulate all of these separately on your guitar? Because from what I've understood of our brief conversation, you use your guitar to emulate these different sounds, right, of different
Correct.
instruments. How does this work?
It works in a very, so this is a frequency thing, right? So keyboards, when you want to make them work like counter melodies or help you while you sing, there has to be a nice little backside, like a harmony. So I know that a bass guitar and the rhythm section can do that. Percussion, of course, it's I think for me it's the coolest part of music. So many things, you start grooving according to the kind of percussions that exist. So I realized that acoustic guitar is a very complete instrument in terms of it has these so many possibilities, and I genuinely naturally have had a tendency towards emulating this kind of stuff from the very beginning. So like, oh, either say this sound is also possible. Oh, it says a sound that I'm gonna use this. So that's also constantly an experimental producer's mind constantly at work. So all of them sort of come together in this approach.
Okay, so Samar, you are emulating music, but you have a very huge online presence. So not only do you perform, but there are also people out there on the internet that want to listen to you, right? What has that been like? What has your social media journey been like on one hand, and what has your performing on stage journey been like? Did they kind of progress simultaneously, or did one first really work out for you, and then the next happened?
So I've been, they've definitely worked hand in hand. Uh, the first taste of, I would say, semi-virality in indie, there's no such thing as viral until it is something like somebody has to really bless us. Otherwise, our virality is that the neighbor knows us. That's we're happy with that. So the first taste of that for me was when I actually stopped making music for a year, and how that impacted me, and then the hunger and that that sort of longing to feel that magic of music again brought me close to this style of music. Earlier, I used to play guitar in a different way, make music in a very like a regular way. But what this did was it inspired me to create music in this format. So the first song I created was called Azad, which is very symbolic as to where I was in my personal journey. And so two things happened when I posted that video for the first time. I hadn't been on social media for a while. Nobody knew. I thought nobody cared. So all of my myths were broken because I posted that song, and I also wrote a very big, honest message with it about my struggles and my journey and how it's led to this point. And I just requested, can you just give me like 6 minutes of your life? And I want to understand if this is even worth it. And the wave and wave of support that created, that has actually changed my life. Friends from different cities, they're like, hey, I was working with, and my boss recognizes you from your work. How did that
Wow.
happen? So for me, this is like, wow, this is endless possibilities
Yeah.
if you just, if you take that leap. And so that's definitely how it's worked out. And then because of that, I started getting offers to play. And so I've been growing as a performer and as a composer ever since.
More power to you, and touch wood, I'm just gonna be a little superstitious here for you. Samar, so okay, very interesting. You said that you took that leap of faith. You put out a message on Instagram, and you said that give me 6 minutes of your life. People obviously resonated, right? They saw something real. They felt that this is something that we could have also felt, something that maybe we feel, somebody
Correct.
saying it out there. So then does that also add a lot of pressure to then continue to inspire people? How has it been for you?
Definitely, you can get lost in it sometimes. Definitely, it's so easy to get sort of the tunnel vision when you're in the thick of it. So I did at the beginning. After a while, the whole reason why I started blurring, and then I started getting affected by. I have gone through that journey of being affected by opinions and maybe creating something not, and it just didn't work because I realized that even if I sit with the wrong intention, the music just doesn't come. And I
Mm.
love that. So then I realized, okay, I need to do something else. I need to take a break or step back from this and just reassess why I started this. Why it wasn't for, opinions. These are just great things to know. It's like you create something in a room and then it goes out and somebody else sees it as their own story. And then suddenly becomes bigger than you. I would love the process to be like that instead of the other way around, where how others think about my music affecting my music. So it's been a journey getting back to that. But once I got it, I realized that that's the only way I want to keep at it. I want to keep my process honest, and so it's been very like easy to work since then. But
Mm.
that whole it's very easy for sure to get affected and yeah.
It's like the real life versus real life, as they call it. Is that something that creates a disharmony in your mind sometimes?
Yeah, and it's very human to get lost in it. As far
Yeah.
as the moment that awareness comes, it's really important to grab hold of it and just, because it's amazing because you then create so much more music and it
Yeah.
happens for the right reason, so it reaches more people. So
But then,
yeah,
of course, you get all this love on the other hand, and there are all these people,
correct.
reaching out to you and telling you that you're doing
Oh,
such good work. And
yeah, and then what surprises they are, just like their gifts, and then on days that you're not feeling motivated,
yeah,
those things come back and you're like, okay, wow, and suddenly this fire comes back in your being. Like, no, I want to make more music because you know what, that's what music has been for me. When I didn't make music, I have been saved by music. That's how it started for me. So um, my connective magic in this world has been music, so to be at the other end of it, it's just amazing.
awesome. And we're so happy for you, Samar. You're doing some really good work out there. In fact,
Thank you.
for our viewers, I would like you to, before we ask you one last question, I want you to play something for us, only because we're
Absolutely.
so very intrigued by the fact that you're a one-man band. The stage is all yours. The screen is all yours.
Thank you. So since I mentioned Azad, I'll just play something from
Yes,
that song.
absolutely.
All right. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
All right, here we go. ये उम्मीदों में क्या ढल रहा है, कि दिल का मौसम बदल रहा है। हु, 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 हु। खुल गया आसमान, मैं आजाद हूँ। हाँ, 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 मैं आजाद हूँ। हाँ, 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 मैं आजाद हूँ। Dari da 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 di da di da da di da 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 di da da di da 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 di da 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 di da da di da 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 di da di da 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 di da da Thank you.
That was so good. That was so good. Samar, I did not know that it was possible for one person to like make all these different, make all this music with one guitar. I have no words. That was
Thank you so much.
really good. All right. So before we let you go, Samar, one last question, because we've unfortunately run out of time. As much as I want to continue to have this very interesting conversation with you, what would your message be, to young artists who are still figuring their way out?
The only thing, I don't believe in advice. I feel so shrunk when that happens. But the one thing I've learned from my life is take the leap. That's it. Take the leap.
That is some good advice. Thank you so much, Samar, for being with us on NewsX Influencer.
My pleasure. Thank you so much for having me.
Have you, and more power to you.
Thank you so much.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.